We are creating jobs locally, both long-term and short-term jobs, because a job is a job. The theme, the campaign theme of President Ruto was Kazi ni Kazi. A job doesn't have to be the permanent and pensionable. That's one type of a job. A job is a job. I have seen some people trying to ridicule the young people, the 160,000 young people now engaged in the housing program, saying these are temporary jobs. What will happen to these young people when the projects are over? If we can engage 200,000, 300,000, 500,000 young people for the next 2, 3, 4 years in this program, as opposed to them staying idle, we will have gone a wrong way in getting jobs for the people of Kenya. And by the time that program is over, we will have devised the next program for short-term, mid-term, or even long-term jobs. Are you telling me that instead of a young man getting engaged in construction of affordable housing for the next 2, 3 years, and every day or every week going home with some money, it is better for them to loiter in the markets and be used by political people to heckle their opponents? It's better to engage them. When the time comes, when the program maybe is not as vibrant as it is, we'll have looked for other intervention. Kazi kwa ground. That is the first pillar. Kazi kwa ground. In the public sector, by expanding or enabling the private sector to have more openings, in the housing program, and in so many programs, even construction industry alone, we have construction going for the KISII, for the markets, for the special economic zones. It's not just the housing. We are also investing in creating jobs in the digital space through Kazi Mtandaoni. The ICT hubs, but also beyond the ICT hubs, we are engaging, especially the creative economy space, to create jobs of content creators and other jobs, including in business outsourcing, business process outsourcing, and so forth and so on. And going forward, we will be making progress reports on how many jobs the digital space is providing to to Kenyans under this administration. We are creating jobs in the maritime sector. We've a lot of demand for seafarers, and even including seafarers who are working in the hospitality industry and also other professional jobs. Again, so far about 5,000 have secured jobs under this sector. We are aiming to upscale this to about 10,000 a year. In terms of the labor mobility program, right now, approximately 200,000 Kenyans have benefited. They are very happy. We've got testimonials of some of them whom we have seen when they are departing. We've had testimonials from their families, even after those youths have gone abroad. They are very happy. And therefore, we want to upscale this to about 1 million jobs a year going forward. We are encouraging as many young people as possible who get opportunities and have energy and qualifications to work outside Kenya to go and work anywhere in the world. In that respect, we have already signed bilateral labor agreements with 6 countries: United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, United Kingdom, Germany, and Austria. We are engaged with a number of other countries towards concluding bilateral labor agreements, from the United States to Canada, to Angola, to Bahrain, to Serbia, and so forth and so on. We encourage as many of our people that would want to go and work abroad to go and work abroad, save, invest here in Kenya, and whenever they want to come back home, to always return home. It is better for someone to work anywhere than for someone to remain here unemployed. So we struggle as much as possible to create jobs here, but those that are yet to be employed here and get an opportunity out there should go and work through the labor mobility program. We are not sending them away. We just encourage them to work anywhere and always be free to invest here and to return to their country because they are permanently the people of Kenya. That our job creation programs is on course. We are making every effort to accelerate it and push the number of our people that are engaged in meaningful employment higher and be able to account for ourselves as a generation and as a country.